Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Just like yesterday, seeing that smoke moving in this afternoon, some reduced visibility. A live look here at Medford. Right now sitting at a visibility of 5 miles, currently 79 degrees, and our air quality is right around borderline unhealthy for sensitive groups to unhealthy in the Rogue Valley. But things like the last few nights will improve again as we head through the evening as a breeze picks up. Currently 75 in Klamath Falls. We're at 76 in Lakeview, 80 in Montague on this first day of fall, and 63 degrees in Brookings. Winds have turned pretty gusty east of the Cascades, sustained right around 15 miles per hour with a gust up to 25 miles per hour being reported in Lakeview. And tomorrow is going to be even a more windy day, not only for the east side, but across southern Oregon, northern California. Here's a look at air quality. Most inland areas seeing unhealthy for sensitive groups to unhealthy air quality. Good air quality along the coast, and we should see improvements for many of our west side valleys, especially in southern Oregon, as we move through the evening. Now, satellite and radar are showing the big storm system we're watching to the west. We will have some passing clouds through tonight. We will stay dry, but rain will start to move in along the coast as early as tomorrow afternoon. And this one has a much better shot at bringing more of us some wet weather tomorrow on into Thursday. Tonight, it will stay dry, partly to mostly cloudy skies, down to 40 in Klamath Falls, 53 in Medford, and 55 in Brookings, upper 40s in Northern California. Tomorrow, we will see a fairly seasonal day. Temperatures climbing into the lower 80s in many of our west side valleys, up to 78 in Klamath Falls. Winds will crank up as we go throughout the day, and as that happens, especially late afternoon into evening, we will clear out more of the smoke. Now, the rain arrives tomorrow along the Oregon coast, starting mid to late afternoon especially, and then that rain is going to pick up in intensity as we head into tomorrow evening. Here's STORMCAST as we go through the day tomorrow. There are those showers developing through the afternoon in Curry County and along the coast, and then there's that band of some heavier rainfall that moves in tomorrow evening. Could pick upwards of over a ½ inch of rain for the coast and the coastal mountains. But as this thing moves inland tomorrow night, the daytime hours will be dry for inland areas, but notice how that band of rain really starts to fall apart as it moves across southern Oregon, northern California, and most of the shower activity will wrap up by Thursday at noon. And then at this point, just a few showers possible for some areas on Friday. But rainfall amounts, highest totals will be for the coast and the coastal mountains, also along the Cascades, especially towards Crater Lake. We could pick upwards of near a ½ inch of rainfall. But for most west side valleys, we're looking at around a 1/10 of an inch or less for most spots. Taking a look at the Rogue Valley forecast over the next few days, we will also see a cool down, highs only in the 70s for Thursday and Friday. And it should be mentioned that this rainfall, we haven't seen rain in a while, so that could make the road slick as the oils kind of build up and have been building up for months now. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, some wet, cool weather through the rest of the work week. Northern California, the chance for a few showers Thursday morning. Doesn't look like it's going to add up to all that much. For the Klamath Basin, a few showers possible Thursday morning, and then temperatures rebound through the weekend into next week. The Cascades looking at some wet weather tomorrow night on into Thursday. Temperatures warm up through the weekend into next week. And then for the Rogue Valley, windy tomorrow, some rain hopefully tomorrow night into Thursday. It'd be a welcome sight. But it looks hot next week. Temperatures get into the upper 90s by this time next Tuesday.
Summer's still hanging on. All right. Thanks very much.